In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can enable pop-up on your Google Chrome browser. So first of all, click on three dot icon at the top right corner. Then click on settings. Now in the left hand panel menu, click on privacy and security. Now click on site settings. Scroll down slightly. Under content section, here as you see pop-up and redirect option, click on that. To allow pop-up for all the website, just click on this checkbox. Now you can see all sites pop-up and redirect options. If you want to allow pop-up for any individual site, here as you see, just click on this add button, paste the link here, then click on add. That's how you can allow pop-up on Google Chrome for all website and any individual website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.